Have you ever enjoyed a handful of sweet, juicy blueberries and wondered if you could grow them yourself? Many home gardeners dream of cultivating their own organic fruit. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating and rewarding project. Growing blueberries from store-bought fruit is an excellent way to start your organic gardening adventure. It is incredibly cost-effective as you are using something you already have. This method also ensures you know exactly where your plants originated. It connects you more deeply with your food source. Plus, there is a special pride in harvesting fruit from a plant you nurtured from a tiny seed. It is a sustainable and educational endeavor for any gardener. Growing blueberries from seed is not the quickest path to a harvest. Unlike planting a mature bush, this process requires significant patience. It can take several years before your plants produce fruit. However, the journey itself is incredibly rewarding. You will learn a great deal about plant propagation and the specific needs of blueberries. Manage your expectations and enjoy each step of the growth process. The first crucial step is choosing the right blueberries from the store. Always opt for organic berries if possible. Non-organic berries may have been treated with chemicals that could affect seed viability. Look for berries that are plump, fully ripe, and fresh. Avoid any that appear shriveled or moldy. High-bush blueberries are most commonly found in grocery stores and are a good choice for this project. Once you have your chosen berries, it is time to extract the tiny seeds. Gently mash a handful of berries in a small bowl. You can add a little water to help separate the pulp. Next, fill the bowl with water and stir. The viable seeds are usually heavier and will sink to the bottom. The pulp and lighter, non-viable seeds will float. Carefully pour off the floating debris. Repeat this rinsing process a few times until you are left with mostly clean seeds at the bottom. Then, spread these seeds on a paper towel to air dry completely for a day or two. This prevents mold during storage. Blueberry seeds require a process called cold stratification to germinate. This mimics the natural winter conditions they would experience outdoors. It signals to the seed that spring is coming and it is time to sprout. To stratify, mix your dried seeds with a small amount of moist peat moss or sand. Place this mixture in a small, sealable plastic bag or container. Ensure the medium is damp but not soaking wet. Seal the bag and place it in your refrigerator for at least 60 to 90 days. Check periodically to ensure the medium remains moist and to look for any signs of mold. If mold appears, rinse the seeds and re-stratify in fresh, moist medium. Blueberries are unique because they thrive in highly acidic soil. A pH level between 4.5 and 5.5 is ideal for their growth. Standard potting soil will not work for these acid-loving plants. Create your own acidic mix using a blend of peat moss, pine bark fines, and perlite. A common ratio is 50% peat moss, 30% pine bark, and 20% perlite. This mix provides both acidity and excellent drainage. Choose shallow trays or small pots with good drainage holes for sowing your seeds. Proper drainage is essential to prevent root rot in young seedlings. After stratification, your seeds are ready for planting. Fill your prepared trays or pots with the acidic growing medium. Lightly moisten the soil before sowing. Scatter the tiny blueberry seeds thinly over the surface of the soil. Do not bury them deeply. A very light dusting of peat moss or fine sand, just enough to barely cover them, is sufficient. Gently mist the surface with water to settle the seeds. Place your trays in a warm location, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Consistent moisture is key for germination. Germination can be slow and erratic, taking anywhere from a few weeks to several months. Be patient and maintain consistent moisture in the soil. Use a spray bottle to mist the surface regularly. Provide indirect but bright light for your emerging seedlings. A grow light set on a timer is ideal, or a bright window that does not receive harsh direct sun. High humidity can also aid germination. Once seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves, you may need to thin them. Remove the weaker seedlings to give the stronger ones space to grow. This ensures healthier, more robust plants. When your seedlings are a few inches tall and have several true leaves, they are ready for transplanting. Carefully move each seedling into its own small pot filled with the same acidic soil mix. Handle them gently to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Blueberry plants require full sun, meaning at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. As they grow, gradually introduce them to more light. Ensure they are protected from extreme temperatures initially. Water your blueberry plants with rainwater or distilled water if your tap water is alkaline. Blueberries are sensitive to chlorine and high pH water. Fertilize sparingly with an acid-specific fertilizer, such as one formulated for rhododendrons or azaleas. Remember, growing blueberries from seed is a long-term commitment. It typically takes 2 to 3 years, and sometimes even longer, before your plants will produce their first berries. During this time, focus on healthy growth. Protect your young plants from pests and diseases. Once they start fruiting, you may need to net them to deter birds. The reward for your patience will be a bountiful harvest of delicious organic blueberries. Growing blueberries from store-bought seeds is a truly rewarding gardening project. It teaches patience, resilience, and a deeper understanding of plant life cycles. While it takes time, the satisfaction of harvesting your own organic fruit is unparalleled.